Hi learners, welcome to my YouTube channel. So let us see the new topic, that is the playing with numbers. So this is the part 1. So let us go directly with the exercise, and wherever necessary I'll give you the explanation. So here it said that the units digit of a 2-digit number is 3 and 7 times the sum of the digits is the number itself. So you have to find the number. So what we will do here, so we'll consider we have the units and the tens digits. So we'll consider here the tens digit as x, and the unit digit is given of a, this number is given as 3. So you will write here that tens digit is x and the unit digit is given as 3. So what will be the number? So whenever you write any number, you know this is the unit and this is the tens place and this is the hundreds place. So here, if it is here, this once means you have anything you multiply by 1. Here will be you are going to multiply by 10. Here by 100. So what are you going to write here? This is here. This tens and units. So this is x and this will be 3. So here you are going to multiply this by 10 and this is going to multiply by 1. So that is going to be 10x plus 3. So what we will write here? So that the number is 10x plus 3. So now what will you do? According to the question, what do you have here? It is the unit, they said the unit digit of a 2-digit number is 3 and 7 times the sum of its digit is the number itself. So 7 times, what did they say? The sum of the digits. So what is the sum of the digits means? We have considered this as x and this is as 3. So when you add both of them, that is going to be x plus 3. So 7 into x plus 3, and that what is that? Is the number itself. So what is the number we have considered here? We got the number as 10x plus 3. So this step is important. So now you're going to expand this one, 7x plus 21, that is 10x plus 3. So what will you like here? 7, this, now you'll bring the like terms together. So 7x and this, if you bring it here, that is going to be minus 10x. And this is already 3. If you take this plus 21 on the other side, that is going to be minus 21. So what are you going to write here? Bigger number is minus 10 plus 7. So that is going to be minus 3. Minus 3x here, because this is a variable, both places there is x. So here what will you do here? Minus 21 plus 3, so that is going to be minus 18. So now both places there is minus, so it will get cancelled out. Or you can also write here minus 8 divided by minus 3. So now this is going to be 3x is 18. So x will be 18 divided by 3. So that x is 6. So now what did they ask? They asked for the number. So this is the number. So in place of this x, we are going to put 6. So the number is 10x plus 3. That is going to be, in place of this x, we are going to put 6. So that is going to be 10 6 are 60 plus 3. So that is going to be 63. So this is the answer. So now let us go for the next one. In a 2-digit number, the digit at the units place is double the digit in the tens place. So what are we going to do? Now the tens place we'll consider as here x, and the units place is, they said, the double. So this is x means, tens place is x means that is going to be 2x. So this is what is written over here. So the number is going to be, again as I said, so this is the unit place and this is the tens place. Unit place is always going to be multiplied by 1 and tens place. So what are you going to write here? 2x into 1. And here you will just write here x into 10, because we have considered this one. So this is going to be 10x and this is going to be 2x. So we are going to add it, because they said the number will be 10x plus 2x, because it is a 2-digit number. So we will add this both. So that is going to be 12x. So now here the number exceeds the sum of its digit by 18. So now what will you do here? So according to the question here, the number, what is the number we got? This is 12x. So exceeds the sum of its digit by 18 means what is the sum of its digits? So that will be x plus 2x plus 18. Whenever it exceeds the sum means it is going to, you are going to add plus 18 to it. So now here 12x, and this x you will bring it here, that will be minus. Here also this will bring it here along with the sign. If you take this side, this is plus, that is going to be minus 2x, and this 18 is on its place. So here when you solve this part, 12 minus this will be 1. So that is will 11 minus 2, that is going to be 9x is 18. So x is going to be 18 by 9, that is going to be 2. So x is 2. So the number is going to be 12x, that is going to be 12 into 2, that is 24. Here they said a two-digit number is 3 more than 4 times the sum of its digit. So now let us consider the unit place as they said a two-digit number is 3 more than 4 times the sum of its digit. So if we are considering this the unit place as x and the tens place we consider as y. So now what we can do here, so number will be what? So unit place and tens place. So this is x and this is y. So this is going to be into 10 and this is going to be into 1. So this will be 10y plus x. So the number is going to be 10y plus x. So now let us see this other step. So according to the question, what did they say? Y. So this will be the two-digit number is 3 more than 4 times the sum of its digit. So what did you get the sum of its digit? So that is you got as this. This is x plus y. This will be y plus x because the tens place here and the unit place if you are considering. So 4 times y plus x and 3 more. So you are going to add 3 to it. That is the, and here this is the number. So is equal to 10y plus x. So a two-digit number, right? So this is the number. So we are going to write here 10y plus x. So when you solve this part, so this is going to be 4y plus 4x plus 3 is equal to 10y plus x. So this will be what? 4x. This you bring it on this side, that is going to be minus x. This is going to be plus 4y. If you bring this on this side, that is going to be minus 10y. And this will be, if you take this on this side, that is going to be minus 3. So this part, this is going to be 3. This will be minus 6y. And this will be minus 3. So 3 into this, when you solve this one, when you take common, this will be 3. So what remains in the bracket is x minus 2y. That is going to be minus 3. So this is going to be minus x minus 2y. That will be minus 3 divided by 3. So that is going to be minus 1. So x minus 2y is equal to minus 1. So x is going to be what? If you take this on this side, that is going to be 2y minus 1. So this is the equation number 1. So the reverse number is going to be what? This was the number. So here, when you go in the reverse one means this is going to be y and this is going to be x. So that is going to be what? 10x because the place changes. So here, what will be that? Unit and tens. Here we are consider x. So this is going to be y into 1. And this is going to be x. So x into 10. So that is going to be what? 10x plus y. So 10x plus y. So this is the equation number 2. So what is they said in the question here that this is if 18 is added to the number. So here if you're adding 18 to the, what was the number? 10y plus x. This one, if you're adding this 18 to it, you get the, see, 18 is added to the number is digits are reversed. So what are the reverse number? The reverse number is 10x plus y. So this is 10x plus. So this step is, hope you got this step is clear to you. So now here, when you solve this, now what will you do? 10y and this plus y, you are going to bring it on this side, that will become minus y. So this is 10x and plus x will become minus x, and if this part, that is going to be minus 18. So what will be here? 9y. This will be 9x minus 18. So 9y, if you bring this on this side, that is going to be minus 9x and this is minus 18. So now if we take common from here, 9 is common here. So what remains in the bracket is y minus x is minus 18. So here this y minus x will be minus 18. This will be divided by 9. So that is going to be minus 2. So this is the equation number 3. So now what you are going to do here, you got as x is 2y minus 1. So you are going to put this, the value of this x, you are going to put in this equation. So if you put in this equation in equation number 3, so putting x is equal to here, so what we get? Y minus, in place of x, we will put here 2y minus n. So because there are two terms, we will put a bracket over here. So that is minus 2. So when you solve this part, so y minus 2y plus 1 is equal to minus 2. So here when you solve this one, y minus 2y, that is going to be minus y. Minus 2 plus 1 will be here, that is going to be minus 1. So minus y is equal to minus 3. So this and this gets cancelled, so y is equal to 3. So what will be x here? So x is going to be what? 2y minus 1. So that will be 2 into 3 minus 1. So that is going to be 6 minus 1. So x is 5. So you got the value y is 3 and 0. So the number is going to be, so what did they ask? Find the number. So what is that number going to be? This is the number. So 10y plus x. So you will put here 10y plus x means in place of this y you will put 3 and this is x. So this is going to be 30 plus 5. That is going to be 35. Now here they said the sum of the digits of a two-digit number is 15 and then the number obtained by interchanging its digit. So that is given as exceed the given number by 9. So you have to find the original number. So now again here we can consider, because the sum of its digit is 15 and the number this one. So unit place if you take x and the tens place you take. So what will that? Because the sum is 15 means whenever you take one number x, the other is going to be whatever the you get the sum that is given as 15 minus that one. So the unit place is x means tens digit is going to be 15 minus x. So the number is going to be what? They said the number obtained by interchanging, that is given number by 9. So now what are you going to write here? First let us write the number. So as I told you, unit and the tens place. So unit place we have considered this x, so x into 1, and the tens place is 15 minus x into 10, because this is the tens place digit. So now see here, same thing I have written here, 10 into 15 minus x, and this is plus x because that is the sum. So what will be that? This is going to be 150 minus 10x plus x. So this is going to be 150 when you solve this part, that is going to be minus x. So when you interchange, they said after interchanging the digit, exceed the given number by 9. So when you're interchanging this, so this is going to be, you got here as the number is 10 into 15. So if you're interchanging this one, so this is going to, unit place is going to be 15 minus x and the tens place is going to be x. So x into 10 and this is 15. So that is going to be what? 10x plus 15 minus x. This is the number after interchanging. Hope this is clear to you. So when you solve this part, that is going to be 9x plus 15. So now you got the new number. So now according to this question, what is given here? So that is getting exceeded by 12. So the number, which number is getting? The number obtained by interchanging the digit is exceeding the given number by 9. Whatever the interchanging number. So what was the interchanging number? Was this one. So be careful with this one, this part. So 9x plus 15 is equal to the number plus 9. So the interchanging number should be on the left hand side and it should be plus 9 should be added over here. This is the important step. So now here 9x, if you bring this minus, it is going to be plus 9x. So 150 plus 9 and this is going to be minus 15. So 18x is going to be 144. So x is going to be 144 divided by 18. So x is 8. So now they have asked what is that? You have to find the original number. So original number means what? What was it? This is always whatever we find out the number, that is the original number. So 150 minus 9x. So 159 minus 9x means in place of this you are going to put 8. That is going to be 72. So the original number is 78. The difference between a two-digit number and the number obtained by interchanging its digit is 63. What is the difference between the digits of the number? So now here the unit place is x and the tens place is y. So what are you going to do? So the number is going to be what? So here I'll write it again. The unit is unit and tens place. This is x, so x into 1, and this is going to be y. So that is going to be 10 into 10 because tens place. So it is going to be, you can also write here y plus 10y plus x, or you can also write here x plus 10. So now when you're interchanging it, so interchanging means what is that going to be? Unit place is going to be y and the tens place is going to be x. So the number is going to be, again if you want I can write it here. This is y into 1 and this is going to be x into 10. So that is going to be 10x and this is y, or you can also write here y plus 10x. Both ways you can write it. So according to question, what is they said? They said the difference between the two-digit number is the number obtained. So between the two-digit number means this is the number, and whatever the interchange number, this one. So difference between this and this one. So that is going to be, you're going to subtract and put the brackets because there is a negative sign, and that is given as 63. So 63 will be here. This step is an important one. So here x plus 10y, that is remove the brackets first, minus y minus 10x, that is 63. So this is going to be 9y. When you solve this part, that is going to be minus 9x, that is 63. So 9 into, that is going to be y minus x is 63. So y minus x will be 63 divided by 9. So y minus x is here. This is going to be 7. So the difference of its digit is going to be 7. Now here the next one, in a 3-digit number, the 10th digit is thrice the unit digit and 100th digit is 4 times the unit digit. Also sum of its digits say 16. Find the number. So now look at here. So we are going to consider unit digit as x. So the tens, what did they say? Thrice of the unit. So 3 into x. So that is going to be 3x. And 100 is going to be 100 is equal to 4 times the units. So 4 into this x. So hope this 3 is done. So now see here, this will be units, tens and hundreds. So this is x into 1. So this is going to be 3x into 10. And this is going to be 4x into 100. So what is that going to be? So we can just write it if you want like this, x plus 10 into 3x plus 100 into 4x, and then solve it. So that is going to be x plus 30x plus here 400x. So when you add this, because all are x, so that is going to be 431x. So but then what did it say here? Also the sum of its digit is 16. Sum of its digit means here what do you have? Here we have 3 digit, 1, 2 and 3. When you add this one, all 3, that is going to be 16. So this is going to be 8, x is 16. So x is going to be 16 by 8. So x is 2. So now the number is going to be, in place of this x, you are going to put 2. So that is 862. So that is they ask for, find the number, and this is very simple one. So it is 862. So by this one we have completed today's work. Do like and subscribe to my channel so you get a notification of the other parts. Thank you.